There we go. Oh yeah, that's pretty good quality. That's really good quality. Nice. That's actually not bad at all. That's actually really good. Dang. Surprising, huh? I need to turn it around and get this planet back here. I think it's Venus, I think. It's big right now. I'm gonna try to do that next. Just get a few good shots of the moon right now. I mean, well, I can anyways, yeah. It's pretty tricky how I got set up right now. I'm not on flat ground, so I'm using two different stands right now. I'm not using one of those clip-on deals because this phone, the way the cameras are set up, you can't do that. It won't do it for nothing, so yeah. The S20's got multiple cameras, so yeah, that's fun. Let's go! UFO! I am the UFO man. It's pretty wild design. Thank you for watching. It's pretty wild design. This is the end.